Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to invest on the Fidelity website. First, let's get your account set up. You can choose from various account types, like a brokerage account for general investing or a retirement account, such as an IRA. The online application is straightforward and usually takes around 10 minutes to complete. Once your account is open, you can easily fund it through an electronic funds transfer from your bank or by depositing a check. Now that your account is ready, it's time to explore your investment options. Fidelity offers a wide range of choices, from individual stocks and bonds to diversified mutual funds and exchange-traded funds. Their robust research and screening tools can help you narrow down choices based on your goals. For example, you can find Fidelity's zero index funds that have no minimum investment requirements and zero expense ratios, making them very accessible. With your investment choices made, placing a trade is simple. Head to the Trade tab on the Fidelity website. Here, you'll enter the ticker symbol for your chosen investment, specify the quantity, and select an order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order for a specific price. Always take a moment to review all the details before confirming and submitting your trade. After placing your trades, ongoing monitoring is key to successful investing. Fidelity provides tools to track your portfolio's performance and analyze your asset allocation. You can set up alerts to notify you of significant price changes or relevant news. Remember to periodically review and rebalance your portfolio to ensure it continues to align with your long-term financial goals and risk tolerance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.